They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a quick distress locks. I will be doing the length Midback and I'll be doing a regular size. This is just me showing you how I do the free parts and how I start the free parts. I do have another video detailing how I part my clients' hair, but for the free parts, I start from the middle at the back, and then I just follow through for the rest of my client's head. So I do have about 47 locks count for this client. And yeah, so while I'm braiding pretty loosely. If you can also attach braiding hair while you're braiding if you want more security, but I just feel like when you do your natural hair, it just is less weight, so it's lightweight. If you add something else, it might make it seem a bit not so stiff, but it's just softer when it's just natural hair and spring twist hair instead of natural hair, braiding hair, and spring twist hair. That would just you're adding more and more to it. So right now I'm done braiding. And I was so surprised, guys. I feel like I'm just getting better over time, honestly, when it comes to how long it takes me to do this. First, this is me counting the braids to make sure that I do have the right amount of braids, and I do have 47 for this one. But usually it takes me about an hour and a half or an hour to braid, especially when I'm recording, when I have to fix my phone, fix my camera, pause, and all that crap. But for this one, it took me about 40 minutes or less to braid my client's hair. And I was so surprised. And the whole process took about, I want to say 3 hours and 30 minutes. But if we're trying to be honest, when it comes to doing the hot water and everything, maybe about 4 hours. So now we're going to start. So I'm going to start using I started using 1.5 strands, and I'm going to start wrapping. And to take out, again, I'll use my thumb. So I'm going to wrap, and then I'm wrapping before and after the loop. So to create the loop, as you're wrapping over your thumb, you just have to put your thumb right there to create that space, and then you just keep wrapping. I feel like at some points in the video I kind of zoomed it so you guys can see how I do the takeout method. Sometimes I just record and I don't even try to see if it's actually showing you some things, and I'm so sorry about that. But if you want detailed videos, I do have all that detailed videos for you guys. This is just me doing the same thing, just showing you just how I do it. So basically the same thing, showing you how I do it, showing the length that I'm going for. And yeah, and then to continue wrapping, I continue wrapping with 2 strands. So to get the Midback, you probably would use about 3.5 strands to 4.5 strands. So at the back, usually you use 3.5 strands. So you use 1.5 to start wrapping, and usually 2 strands is just enough to get a length that you want. But I feel like as you go to like the line, like going from the back, the line 3 and line 4, then you start adding an additional 1 towards the ends, because you want it to, you want the length to kind of match each other. Well, I mean, I don't know what other information I need to tell you guys, but again, I already showed you guys how I do my hot water. I just boil the hot water, dip the towel in the hot water, and use the hot towel for my clients' hair. And I am doing that for all my clients' locks. And to seal the ends, I do wrap all the way up, and that's about it, okay? I have seen questions like, how do you prevent the ends from unraveling? When you use spring twist hair, it's rarely a question, like when you use spring twist hair just works with this type of locks very well. It doesn't even unravel. Like if it unravels, it just has to be, you doing something. But when people ask that questions, I realize that they probably use water wave hair or some other hair. So when you use water wave hair or some other hair, it's really hard for me to tell you how to go about that, because I don't use water wave hair. When I did it on myself, the first time I used water wave hair, and it didn't really go well, and it was really, really hard to use. When something is silky, it's more likely to unravel because it's silky, So spring twist hair works for me, and I barely have any questions about unraveling when I use spring twist hair. So I feel like when you use spring twist hair, you might see that it just works better for you as well. Anyway, guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share my video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Again, if you have any extra questions, always feel free to shoot me a DM. Is at Queens Lounge with 2S. Sorry, yeah, Queens with 2S _lounge on Instagram. And if you shoot me a DM with a picture, I'm always replying people. Like, I look forward to helping everybody and just helping each other, and that's about it. Well, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.